As I shared in the morning update, gold failed to break past 1850, and at the same time US30 and US100 both traded with a quite a bullish move. Now what is going to happen with the US cash session, we will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and then followed with Dow Jones. You can watch till the end and you can see how these markets and indices commodities behave together as a whole. So let's start the day with gold first, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's see what does the charts for gold say, and let me turn on to the hourly charts here. On the hourly chart, it appears gold is trading sideways here in this box between 1850 and 1840 levels. Any breakout above and below will be good, but yes, 1836 is a definite support. Also look at this, what it is trying to form in the hourly chart. Once it breaks past 1840, we can see that it may try to go back till towards 1834, and then below that it can try to go back till here, which is 1830 level. So yes, this is expected, or this can be achieved today. If it continues to drop below 1840, one can go short there. Also on the upside, if it breaks past 1850, if it breaks past 1850, it is going to give you a strong move on the upside, taking it towards 1855 levels and 1860 levels probably. In fact, it can go well below beyond those levels. Now look at the directional movement is bullish, but it is trying to converge and trying to enter a slightly bearish mode. Stochastic is looking downwards on the hourly charts. MACD is also on the sell side, and RSI is looking flat, looking downwards. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, similarly, if you see these last two candles, lower highs, lower lows, and yes, any breakout above, in fact these zone at precisely, or rather I will say, go long only above 1850. Once you see it trading above 1850, you can go long. At the same time, once you see it trading below 1840, go short there. This is what is expected. Next target is going to be 1834, and then below that we may see 1830 levels. Directional movement is trying to converge on a sell side. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is trying to converge, and RSI is near to overbought levels. Similarly on the 3-hour charts, if you look at on the 3-hour charts, you can see lower highs, lower lows on the previous candle, flag formation, and it is given a breakout on the downside. Also look at this last 3 candles, lower lows consistently, and yes, any breakout beyond 1850, very good level to go long. And yes, here also it is the same, any breakout below 1840, yes, that is a good level to go short for 1834 and 1830 levels. Directional movement trying to converge for a sell. Stochastic is near to overbought. MACD is running in bullish mode, but trying to converge, trying to diminish or trying to reduce the slope there of the bullishness. The RSI is near to overbought levels. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, if you look at on the 4-hour charts, see highs here on the 4-hour charts are definitely there. See, this is the retracement, highs there, this is the retracement. However, it is failing to break past this zone, and that is what it makes me think of, probably if it breaks beyond 1850, one can expect this zone at 1855 and 1860 levels to give it a resistance, and beyond that it will fly towards on the upside. So yes, 1850 is the level I'll be watchful of on the upside. Also look at this on the 4-hour chart. The candle has got a support, but it may try to come back down a little bit towards 1840 levels, and in fact 1836, which is a very strong support. The directional movement is trying to converge. The stochastic is overbought, and the MACD is trying to trade in a bullish zone, but running parallel right now. The RSI is near to overbought levels. Coming back to the daily charts. On the daily charts, if you look at, on the daily charts, first thing is double top is done, and yes, if it breaks past this, one can expect that, after breaking 1850 and 1855 specifically, it may give you similar size of candles. So 20 to 40, $20, and from here 50, or rather I'll say from 40 to 60, almost $20 you can expect. So yes, it can try to go back till towards 1860-65 levels if it continues to trade above 1855 there. So first target 1850, and beyond that 1855, go long only above 1850, that is very clear. Go short only below 1840 levels. What could happen below 1840? It can try to come back till towards 1834 first target, 1830 next target, and then it may try to come back till towards 1820. That is also very much possible. Trying to converge here. Stochastic near to overbought levels. MACD has just crossed over and is still on the buy side. This is the first green candle. I'll be watchful of whether it sustains this level or not, whether it sustains in the bullish zone or not. RSI looking upward. So considering this, very simple, the strategy is to go long above 1850. The that is for the long entry. Rather, you can trade above 1851, keep a dollar cushion there, and beyond 1851 the nearest resistance is at 1855, and then it will try to hit 1858 and 60 levels. And in fact, if it that breaks and it sustains above 1855, one can expect that it may try to hit 1865 70 levels also. So yes, in sum, one can remain long above 1851. Keep your stop losses at cost, as it can try to swing a bit. Also on the downside, if you see it trading below 1840, yes, you can go short there. The nearest resistance at 1836 and 1834 is there. In between this zone, it may find a little resistance. Beyond that, it will try to hit back towards 1830 29.5 levels, and below that it can try to come back till towards 1822 20 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq. See, US100 on the hourly chart has got its resistance intact at 12,100, as I shared in my morning analysis. Also look at the hourly charts. Higher lows are getting created, higher highs are getting created. It is trying to trade in this channel. So only short entry is once it trades below 11,970 levels. Below 11,970 you can go short, and only long entry is about 12,100. Between these levels should not trade. Now look at this. What will happen if it breaks past 11,970? The nearest support is to will try to get it towards 11,920 and 900 levels, which is going to act as a stronger support for US100. At the same time, see, the directional movement is trying to converge for a sell. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge for a sell. The RSI is looking downwards. Coming back to the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, you can observe couple of points there. See, flat top, lower highs, lower lows, and yes, if you see it breaking past this zone at 12,100 any point of time, definite entry to go long. One can expect a rise, a strong rise there. At the same time, if you see similar observation, similar story, if you see it breaking below 11,970, one can go short there. Look at this, what it is trying to do. It is trying to create this channel probably, and any bounce back from here will again try to take it towards 12,150 levels. The next target is going to be somewhere here around 12,140 150, which is going to act as a stronger resistance for US100. And on the downside, 11,900 is definitely going to provide a stronger support there. Directional movement again trying to converge and crossover. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is trading still bullish, but it is not divergent. It is trying to converge here. RSI is trading flat there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts, you will find it is trying to look for a reversal. This candle indicating a possible reversal here, and lower highs are being done, lower lows are being done. I will be watchful of this zone at 12,000 and specifically at 11,970 levels, below which one can expect that it can try to drop till towards 11,900, and below that one can expect a sharper drop. Now look at this, it is still trying to trade in this channel. It is higher highs, higher lows, and hence 11,900 12,000 levels should also be a very strong support for any downside move on US100. At the same time, 12,150 levels should be a stronger resistance. Beyond that, it will fly till towards 12,200 and plus levels on the upside. Also look at this, the directional movement is crossing over for a sell-off. The stochastic is overbought here on the 3-hour charts. The MACD has crossed over and it is wide divergent and it is still bullish. The RSI is near to bottom there, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts you will find that lower highs are being done here, and yes, till the time it does not break this zone at 11,970, I will not recommend you to go short. Probably it is trying to create this you can see narrowing triangle, and it can try to give you a breakout either which ways. Any point of time breaking about 12,100, very good level to go long, and yes, below this zone at 11,970 one can expect that it will try to come back to 11,900, and below that we can expect a sharper drop. Look at the directional movement is trying to converge. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge for a buy side movement, for a bullish crossover. So yes, this is one probability which, if it gives a greener candle, we can see it crossing over, we can see it rising again, and RSI is trading flat there. Coming back to the daily charts, on the daily charts you will find that higher highs are done, and yes, there is a support here at 11,900, breaking which one can expect a sharper drop which will try to take it towards 11,800 700 levels. So this is also a possibility which exists here, that if it tries to reverse and yes, you can go short at 11,970. The support there at 11,900 will come into picture, and if it breaks 11,900 880 zone, one can expect, one have to go short, and one can expect a sharper drop there. Now look at the directional movement is trying to converge here, and it is widely bearish till yesterday. Now it is trying to converge. The stochastic is also looking downwards, and if you look at the MACD is trading flat there without any movement, and if you look at the RSI, this is looking upwards from here. So considering this, so far it appears that one has to go long only once you see trading about 12,100. The target is towards 12,150 and 12,180. First support here at 12,180, 12,200 will come into picture. Once it breaks past 12,200, I will expect it to rise till towards this zone which is going to provide a stronger resistance at around 12,250, 300 levels. So it can rise till those levels, and beyond that it is a reversal. It can try to go back till towards 12,400 also. If not today, in coming time probably it might. But at the same time, this is only applicable if it bounces back again from 11,900, 11,880 levels, then and then only possible. And yes, breaking to 11,880, one can again expect it to go back till towards 11,800 and 11,700 levels. So yes, take your positions accordingly. Go short at 11,970. The first target is 11,900 and 11,880 levels. These levels should not break. If it breaks, we may see a sharper fall till towards 11,800 and 11,700 levels. On the upside, if it breaks past 12,100, if it breaks past 12,100, we can see a stronger rise on the upside. So take your positions accordingly. On the upside, the target is 12,150, 180 and 250 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. See, US30 on the hourly charts, you'll find that it has got its clear-cut resistance at here at 31,570 levels, and if you see it trading above 31,570, one can expect 31,600 to provide a stronger resistance. So beyond which only one will consider this as a bullish move. Also look at this, how US30 has traded in the past year. Rally, couple of red candles, and then a retracement, lower highs, and probably it is trying to trade in this channel. Higher highs, lower lows, support there at 31,400 levels for sure. Below 31,400, one can expect a sharper drop. So I'll be watchful of that. If it breaks past 31,400, one can expect that it may try to go back till towards 31,350, 300, and below that one can expect a sharper drop. At the same time, breaking beyond 31,570, one can expect it to rise strongly on the upside. Directional movement is trying to converge. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge. The RSI looking downwards. So this is just on the hourly charts. Let's have a look at the 2-hour charts here. On the 2-hour charts, couple of observations to make. See, lower highs, lower lows, and lower lows. So this is what is observant. Any breakout beyond this zone at 31,570 levels will be a good level to go long, and beyond that one can expect that it is trying to go till towards 31,700 and 31,820 levels. Also look at this, what it is trying to maintain here is this channel, and it is trying to trade in this channel, this barring this breakout. And also if you look at the breakout here, 31,820 fits well there. If it breaks past this zone as 31,650 levels, we can expect 31,820 definitely there on the cards. At the same time, breaking below 31,400, one can go short for 31,300, and then below that we can see a sharper fall till towards 31,250, 200 levels. Look at the directional movement. It is bearish. It is trying to diverge again. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge, and the RSI looking downwards here. So if you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts, see, we have seen multiple red candles, green candles, and it is trying to trade in this channel. Also look at this, the body size has increased. However, the bulls failed to take the charge here. And yes, if you see it above 31,600, it will give you similar 150 points of candle there. Above 31,600, we may see it trading till towards 31,750, 840 levels. So take your positions accordingly. At the same time, see what it has created here on the 2-hour charts. Almost flat bottom has been created, and hence any move beyond 31,570 go long, and one can expect a sharper rise there. And yes, below 31,400 definitely it's a sell there. And directional movement is trying to converge and crossover. The stochastic is trying to converge and crossover for a sell. The MACD is still it has crossed over for a buy side, and it is just 2 candles apart from the crossover, and hence further more scope is there for it to rise. The RSI is looking downwards. Looking back at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see what we can see here very closely, it is trying to trade in this narrowing triangle with an upward ascent. Upward ascent indicates that probably yes, there is a bearishness and it has to give a strong breakout on the upside. So I'll be watchful and I'll be cautious. Only short entry is below 31,400, below which one can expect that it may try to come back till towards 31,280, and below that we can see a sharper fall. At the same time, above 31,570 one can go long for 31,640, and then beyond that 31,750, 31,840 levels can be expected. Similarly, the 4-hour chart, it is trying to converge for a buy crossover, and yes, the stochastic is near to overbought levels. The MACD is also trying to converge for a bullish crossover. The RSI is trading flat there. Considering the daily charts, now coming back to the daily charts here, on the daily charts you will find that, see, it has formed a double top. Higher highs rather have been formed here. The bottom here is at 31,250 levels, 31,300 levels. Breaking this only one can expect. So if you see it trading below 31,250 only, one can go short, and this time it may try to give you a sharper fall, which will try to take it towards 30,800, 30,900 level. However, I will be expecting it to reverse a bit. I will be expecting it to come back till towards 31,700 to 800 levels. This is my expectation, but these are markets beyond me and you. So yes, I will be trading as per levels, and yes, a good long entry is only above 31,570, beyond which one can definitely expect that it may try to hit back till towards 31,800, 840 levels, and in fact beyond that also can be seen. See, it is extremely divergent, and hence a convergence is required on the daily charts. Hence a bullish candle can be expected. The stochastic is almost oversold here, but the divergence is still there, and hence which is indicative that yes, there is a scope for it to drop also. The MACD is trading flat but on a sell side, and RSI is looking upwards but rightly trading with a flat surface. So considering this, let me give you the trading levels. One can go long at 31,570 levels. One can go short at 31,400 levels. In between these 170 points, I will not recommend you to trade. Below 31,400, one can expect that 31,300 levels to provide very strong support, and then 31,250 to provide very strong support. Below that, close your eyes, go short below 31,250. One can expect that it may try to get the first support at 31,200, then it will fall strongly towards 31,000 and 30,900, 800 levels. On the upside, breaking past 30,000, 31,600 levels, 31,570 levels, one can expect it to rise till towards 31,650, and beyond that it will try to hit 31,750, 840 and 32,000 levels also. So take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the latest analysis. Join my Telegram channel. Join my mentorship batch. For more details, reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.